How to hide your Instagram account from search. Hey, everyone! If you want to hide your Instagram account from search results, there are a few methods you can try. In this guide, I'll walk you through the best ways to make your account less discoverable. Let's get started. Method 1. Block specific people. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Find the profile of the person you want to block. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Block. What happens? Blocking someone ensures that they can't find your profile, posts, or stories. However, this only works for specific people. You'll still be visible to others. Method 2. Make your profile private. If you want to hide your Instagram profile from everyone except your followers, follow these steps. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon, bottom right. Tap the three-line menu, top right. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Account Privacy. Turn on the Private Account option. What happens? When your account is private, only your approved followers can see your posts and stories. Your profile won't appear in public search results or explore pages for non-followers. People must send a follow request before they can view your content. Method 3. Remove your account from search and recommendations. To further limit how people find your profile, go to Settings and Privacy in your Instagram app. Scroll down and tap How others can find you. Disable options like Similar Account Suggestions prevents Instagram from recommending your profile. Syncing Contacts prevents people from finding you through their phone contacts. What happens? This reduces the chances of your profile showing up when others search for you. Final thoughts. These are the best ways to hide your Instagram account from search results and unwanted viewers. While you can't completely remove yourself from Instagram's system, these methods help you stay private and control who sees your content. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more useful tutorials, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.